Have you ever ordered a nude polygel online, only to apply it and think, wait, this isn't the color I expected? Finding a nude that actually complements deeper skin tones can be surprisingly difficult. So today, I'm comparing two of Makartt's most popular nude shades, Le Corail and Siesta, to help you figure out which one is the best choice if you have a deeper skin tone. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one I'd buy first and why. If you're looking for the short answer, I'd recommend Siesta as your very first nude. But that doesn't automatically make Le Corail the worst shade. In fact, there are certain nail designs where I'd actually choose Le Corail instead. So before you buy either one, let me show you exactly how they compare. The biggest difference between these shades isn't how pretty they are, it's how they look against your skin. Le Corail has a lighter pink tone. It stands out a little more, which gives your manicure a softer, brighter look. Siesta is warmer and blends into my skin much more naturally. If you're someone who wants people to notice your nude nails, Le Corail does that. If you want your nails to almost look like an extension of your nail bed, Siesta does that beautifully. One thing I want to point out is that neither of these shades looks bad on deeper skin. This isn't about finding the only nude that works. It's about deciding what kind of look you're going for. Do you want your nude to blend in, or do you want it to stand out just a little more? That alone can completely change which shade you'll prefer. Something I noticed while editing this video is that the difference becomes even more obvious up close. Siesta has a little more warmth, so the transition between my skin and the nail looks softer. Le Corail creates more contrast, which isn't a bad thing. It just gives a different overall look. And here's something I learned from filming both sets. Don't judge either shades by the tube. I honestly expected one color to become my clear favorite before I even started. But once they were applied, top coated, and photographed, they looked completely different from what I expected. That's one of the reasons I wanted to make this comparison in the first place. Now, before I tell you which one I think looks more luxurious, there's something else I noticed after creating multiple nail sets with both colors. It wasn't until I looked back through all the nail sets I'd created over the past few months that I realized I kept reaching for these colors for completely different reasons. I wasn't even doing it on purpose. One thing I really like about both shades is how differently they become depending on the design. I found myself reaching for Siesta whenever I wanted a natural looking base that lets the artwork shine. For designs like my ocean nails, chrome French, moon cat eye, and detachable nails. It creates a beautiful neutral foundation. Looking back, I don't think that was an accident. Whenever I wanted people to notice the artwork instead of the nude itself, Siesta was usually the one I reached for. The nude quietly supported the design instead of competing with it. Le Corail, on the other hand, has become one of my favorite shades whenever I want the nude itself to be part of the design. It worked beautifully for my aura nails, glitter ombre, and pearlescent French nails because the soft pink tone adds a little more personality even before you add any nail art. So at this point, you might already know which one you prefer, but if you're still undecided, here's how I'd choose. If you're buying your very first nude, I'd start with a Siesta. If you love soft feminine pink nails, I'd lean towards Le Corail. If you mostly create nail art, a Siesta gives you a beautiful neutral base. But if you wear plain nude nails most of the time, Le Corail has just enough color to make the nude itself feel like the design. If I had to choose the shade that gives me the most expensive looking manicure, I'd probably choose a Siesta because it blends into my skin so well. It creates that effortless luxury look I always try to achieve. Le Corail still looks beautiful, but it's brighter, so instead of disappearing into the overall look, it becomes more of a feature. Neither is better, it just depends on the style you're after. I also noticed something interesting when I looked at these in different lighting. Under normal lighting, my opinion stayed exactly the same. But under flash, the difference between them became even more noticeable. That's why I always like checking my finished nails in more than one type of lighting before deciding which color I actually prefer. So, which one should you buy? If your skin tone is similar to mine and you're choosing between these two shades, I'd start with a Siesta. I think it's easier to wear, works with more nail designs, and blends beautifully on deeper skin tones. But if you love a softer pink manicure or you want your nude to stand out just a little more, Le Corail is still a gorgeous option. And just to be clear, if you'd asked me which one I preferred before making all these different nail sets, I honestly don't think I would have had an answer. It wasn't until I looked back at everything I'd created that my favorite became really obvious. Honestly, I don't think either shade is a mistake. It really comes down to the look you're trying to achieve. Now, I want to know what you think. Would you choose a Siesta or Le Corail? Let me know in the comments. And if you're looking for more beginner-friendly Lazy Girl Polygel tutorials, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!